guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Wix forms on Wix. So let's get started. So in here, you can see my Wix website editor. And in order to add your Wix forms, you just need to head over and click on this add elements right here. Now in here, you should be able to see forms. But if you can see forms right here, you can also just click on the search bar right here and search in here for forms. Once you have searched for that, you will be able to see this Wix forms and payment. So you can get info, subscribers, and payment with forms if you want to use this. So from in here, you can also just choose this job application form, contact form, and payment form. Totally depends on you what kind of form you want to use. So I will choose first this form right here for contact form. And then next time, I will add this Wix forms and payment. So let's utilize this one right here, and you will be able to see in here the contact and forms. Under this is all of the forms that you can use on your specific website. So let's actually add this to our actual website. So in order to add this, you first need to look for the website design that you want to use. So for example, for me, since I will use a contact form, I'll just use this one right here. So let's just drag and drop it to wherever we want to put it on our forms. So I will attach it to here, and then this will be attached to the specific strip. So as you can see right now, it is loading for the Wix forms and payments. So in here, you can see the contact us form that you can actually use for you. So you can actually edit it depending on what you want. Just click on this form settings right here. And then under the form settings, you will be able to edit out anything that is related to the actual form. So in here, you can see the Wix forms that has opened. So once this is opened, you can see the main, the settings, the submit image, or the submit message, as well as the payments, conditions, contact, and all of that. So you can see in here, we have first name, last name, email. So you can actually edit it out. So you can edit out the actual text field right here by clicking on the edit field. So you can put in first name, or you can also just put in name just like that. And then in here, you can also just edit it by clicking on edit field as well. Then put in here another sort of thing. So I'll put in contact number for this. Then once I have put that in, I will just close this, and as you can see, it is actually added it right here. So let's try to publish this site, and let's see what it looks like. So let's view the site. So this will load our website that we have successfully added the contact form. So in here, you can see the contact us page. You can type in your name, your contact number, your email, and you can also write in here a message. After that, just click on submit right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this tutorial helped you to create Wix forms. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.